Okay, student, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Is my voice breaking or some? Is it okay?
Ma'am, it's clear.
Okay. So what was the last point that I taught you all on the physiology practical? We were discussing about TPR, na? So I would like to complete the step today. So you just check out one. Hurry up. You just check it out till how much extent I have been explained, na? So you just check. With that, I will continue. Say fast, whoever is. I think I have taught you all about the yeah, you did not get the notes, but while I was explaining, I think everyone was attentive. So I think I'm supposed to teach you all from the oral temperature, right? I mean, I have taught you all how to shake the mercury down, okay? And then bring it below the level of 35 degrees Celsius and 95 degrees Fahrenheit, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so next is oral temperature. Okay, so oral temperature, now we have already washed our hands and we have already explained the procedure to the patients, and we already removed the thermometer from the antiseptic solution. We already rinse it. We already shake and make the mercury into its normal body temperature value. Okay, we already keep the thermometer, okay, less than 35 or less than 95 degree Fahrenheit. So now our aim should be, now I have done everything, so now our aim should be the sites, the particular site that you have choose. Okay, oral temperature choose किया तो वो oral temperature कैसा रखोगे मुख पे, that you need to know. And if you have choose the axilla, how you need to keep it. And if you have choose the rectum, then how you need to perform it. Are you clear? Are you getting the point?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, next. So in oral temperature, while holding the thermometer, okay, you have to place the thermometer at the base of the tongue. At the base of the tongue. You know now what is base? Base. मैं practically तो नहीं दिखा सकती because
Yes, ma'am.
yes, so I think all of you know what is the base. So you have to place, when you place the thermometer, okay, for oral temperature, you have to place the thermometer at the base of the tongue, okay, or at the base of the tongue, to the right or the left, that frenulum. Do you know what is frenulum?
No, ma'am.
Any idea?
No,
Anyone?
ma'am.
Is cost of joining not yet? No, Birosri, any idea?
No, ma'am.
You never ever heard? You had never heard, or what? Come in. You never heard? কি লাগে? Register নাই। হ্যাঁ, নাই। মোৰ লগতো নাই। হ্যাঁ? Office. Anyone, Suraksha? Do you know what is frenulum? Suraksha? I think Suraksha will know.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am, I don't know.
You don't know? Write down the spelling.
Yes, ma'am.
If you want to write down. Frenulum. 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 Finish.
Yes, ma'am.
it is this frenulum. Okay, this is kind of one physical structure. Okay, that they used to have this restraining function, uska, or you can also call it as a small fold of this like mucous membrane. Okay, the small fold hota hai. You can see in Google the picture. Okay, then only you will be like able to understand. Okay, so you can browse and you can see the picture. So you have to place the thermometer at the base of the thumb to the right or left of this frenulum. Okay, are you clear? Picture देख लेना, देखने से पता चल जाएगा.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And then that is how you need to place. Okay, it place at the base of the thumb to the right or left of the frenulum. Okay, and then and you have to ask, you already placed the thermometer, now you will ask the patient that as I have placed the thermometer, so now your duty is to hold the thermometer. Okay, it means the patient should try to keep that thermometer in one particular position. Okay, otherwise the reading will be wrong. So what he need to do is that he have to close the lip. Okay, you have to close the lips at least for 2 minutes. So whenever I mention about minute, second, okay, try to jot it down. All these things are important. So you have to ask the patient to hold the thermometer by closing the lips for at least 2 minutes. Okay, are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So now we will discuss about the axilla. Okay, for axilla, that is all about mouth. I mean, in oral temperature, mainly why this thermometer is placed over here, because whatever heat that is from our superficial blood vessel, okay, that is in the sublingual pocket, it used to produce temperature, okay, during reading. Isliye wahan pe rakha jata hai. I'll give you all the notes, don't worry. So after oral temperature, we will discuss about for axillary. Axillary. Costa, can you hear me? Costa,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
what is the other name of axilla normally that we used to use? I'm not asking the medical term. What is the other name of axilla?
Axilla.
1 till 3. If you can't respond, I'll.
Axilla.
Okay, Jivan, tell Costa the meaning of axilla.
Armpit, ma'am.
Armpit. Costa, can you hear Jivan saying? Armpit.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Armpit, that we call it as axilla. Okay, axilla. Okay, we have to place the thermometer in the decline axilla. Okay, in the patient axilla, you have to place the thermometer. And before placing the thermometer, what you need to do, Smita?
Yes, ma'am.
You are going to place the thermometer in the patient axilla. So before placing the thermometer in the patient axilla, what is the procedure that you need to follow?
Ma'am, first we have to clean the axillary place,
Yes,
ma'am.
very good. You have to, yes, you have to wipe or you have to clean the axilla. Okay. Then after that, you have to keep the thermometer. So you have to keep the thermometer at least for 5 minutes. Remember this, 5 minutes. 5 minutes के लिए रखना है. उसके बाद, like as soon as you put the thermometer in the patient axilla, na, you start counting you start counting the time, and once it reaches the 5 minutes, then you have to take out. Then only the appropriate reading will come. Are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. And next, which is not important for rectal use, which is not important. This rectal use is not important, but still, like try to know, because it is a part of temperature, na? So just try to use it. So first of all, for rectal use, mainly we used to prefer the position is the side lying position, no, side lying position. Patient side lying position mein hota hai, ha? And then obviously rectum hone se what we need to provide? Chupana hai na usko, nahi to expose ho jayega. So what do you need to provide while performing the procedure? Anyone? Whoever, or you can speak out, na? You're suppose in front of you are going to put the thermometer on the client's rectum. So you need some privacy, right? What you need to put beside you? What you need to have? It start with S. It start with S. Screen. मैंने उस दिन नहीं बोला क्या? Screen. Did I mention yesterday that day, Gayatri? Jiban, did I mention that day?
Yes.
Okay, so you need to place the patient in a side lying position, and also you have to provide the screen, SCREEN, screen cut hospital में होता है. Okay, you have to provide the screen. Okay, you have to provide the screen to means for especially for privacy. Okay, and then you have to place the lubricant, whatever lubricant is available, you have to place the lubricant on cotton swab. Okay, and you have to apply about 2 to 5 centimeter from the bulb. 2 to 5 centimeter from the bulb, you have to apply the lubricant, okay, on cotton. Okay, so this will, like, directionally will be, this will facilitate, okay, insertion of the thermometer, and it will cause less injury, because when you don't apply lubricant and when you directly try to insert it, it can cause some injury, right? It can cause some injury. Also, in order to prevent or in order to cause less injury, you have to apply this lubricant. Okay, again I'm repeating, you have to place the lubricant on cotton swab. After placing the lubricant on the cotton swab, you have to apply about 2 to 5 centimeter from the bulb. Means bulb se leke thermometer ka bulb se leke na 2.5 centimeter, you have to apply the lubricant, ताकि वो insertion में it help, okay, for less injury. Are you clear?
Yes.
Okay. Next, you have to ask the client to take a deep breath, okay, and insert the thermometer by separating the buttock. Means obviously, if you want to insert the thermometer, okay, in the rectum, then obviously you have to separate the patient buttock, na? So when you are separating the patient buttock, you have to ask the client to take a deep breath, okay, deep breath. सांस एकदम deeply से लेने को बोलना है, deep breath, okay. And then you have to separate the buttock with the help of the gauze piece. Means gauze piece के through से हाथ से पूरा एकदम touch करके, no need to separate, with the help of the gauze piece. Okay, means gauze piece around 1.5 inches. Okay, like that 1.5 inches ऐसा कुछ gauze piece लेना, उसमें separate करना है. Okay, into the rectum. Okay, and then this hold the thermometer in that particular place. Okay, at least for 2 minutes. At least for 2 minutes you have to hold it. Are you clear?
Yes.
Okay, then while you are holding for 2 minutes, na this one, at that time you have to count the pulse and respiration. Okay, while you are placing the thermometer in the rectum. Okay, while you are placing at that time, you just take an opportunity to take the reading of pulse and respiration as well. So I have already taught you all what is respiration, what is pulse, everything, and the most common site for taking pulse is the radial pulse, right? So that is the main thing, and the other one is respiration is it means like when you inspirate and expirate, ना जब inspirate और expirate दोनों together combine को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Say what is respiration? Respiration का मतलब है क्या? A complete cycle, okay? A complete cycle of inspiration as well as expiration, okay? It has one act of respiration. जब हम inspiration करते हैं और फिर हम expiration, ये दोनों जो ये दोनों combination को बोलते हैं one act of respiration. Are you clear? इसलिए respiration is of 2 types हम बोलते हैं, isn't it? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. That's why before I give you all the notes, now count the respiration, only the inspiration one. I have given you all I have explained before that. जो inspiration जो है ना, inspiration उसको ही count करने के लिए बोला था मैंने पहले. So that means like uska chest na, chest कब rise होता है, कब fall होता है, okay? Chest rise fall ऐसा कैसे होता है जीवन? Explain. Try to breathe it and explain. Taking in
When we breathe in, yeah.
When you breathe in air and then
When we breathe in, then chest rises, ma'am. And when we breathe out, the chest goes down.
when you breathe out, the chest goes down. Are you sure? Perform and do it. सांस लेके देखो तो. सांस लेके देखो तो जीवन.
When we breathe in, our chest rises, ma'am.
Okay, and then when you breathe, it goes down, right?
Yes.
Okay, that is how you need to assess. Okay, all of you, that is how you need to assess. So the inspiration wala na, the inspiration wala, that one you have to count it. Okay, so the completion of both the inspiration and expiration, that both combination, जब patient inspiration और expiration exhale और inhale करेंगे ना, तब दोनों combine को हम एक respiration बोल के count करते हैं. Or else you can simply call it as you to count only the inspiration reading. Are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, for taking pulse. Okay. Next, for taking pulse. For taking pulse, I have taught you all the 9 sides of taking pulse, and the most preferable sides of taking pulse is radial, right? So now you need to know how to take this radial pulse. So radial pulse, Gayatri, show me your radial pulse, where it is being located. You can on your video and show me. So that I also will on the video so that I can give the demonstration. Radial. Okay, Gayatri is taking time. Jiban, can you please on your video and show me? Okay, Gayatri, okay, no problem. Gayatri, I could see you. Oh, okay, Jiban, show us. Show us. Where is your radial pulse? Okay, radial pulse. Okay, turn off your video. Gayatri? On your video. Both Jiban and Gayatri on your video. Gayatri, on your video, you also.
Yes, ma'am. It's on.
Wait. Okay. Okay. So this particular radial pulse, okay, what was the location in the body? It was on the thumb side of inner aspect of wrist, right? On the thumb, remember, on the thumb side of inner aspect of wrist. So inner ki taraf hoga. So how you need to take your radial pulse is that you have to place your first, second, and third fingers, okay, along the client radial artery. So try to place your first, second, and third finger in your radial artery. Guide it so nicely. Yes, very good. Like that. Yes. That is how you need to assess this one. Don't ever use 2 finger, okay? 2 finger, एक finger use करने से गलत हो सकता है. So in medical, the correct procedure is 3 fingers, okay? 3 fingers. And then when you try to feel your own pulse, when you try to feel your own radial pulse, you can just press with the help of your thumb. Just press it. It is very easy to feel. खुद का thumb, okay? Not the client. Yeah, it's very easy to feel with your thumb. That's why. When we try to feel ourselves, we can just feel it with our thumb. But when we are assessing someone, then we have to use 3 fingers. That is first, second, third finger. Okay, both of you, thank you. You can off your video.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So when you are taking a pulse, okay, so when you are taking a pulse, you should use a watch, okay, you should use a watch. You should use a watch. Means while taking the temperature, okay, the wristwatch is also one of the articles, okay, that is needed. So the wristwatch is also one of the articles. क्योंकि watch articles में watch नहीं रखोगी तो you won't be able to read the timing, right? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All these are not written in the book, but you should have common sense, okay? So means like हाथ पे भी watch नहीं है तो ऐसा जाके ऐसे नहीं ले सकते. Okay. Okay, so the next point will be like this. You have to use this watch. Okay, so what you can also count the pulse. No. First, let me teach you all. There is a 5 minutes for counting the temperature which we place in the axilla, right? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So when you are putting the thermometer, okay, in the axilla for 5 minutes, at that time, you can also assess the respiration as well as the pulse, okay, at that time. इसीलिए TPR बोलते हैं, एक साथ ले सकते हैं, okay? ऐसा नहीं है कि पूरा 5 मिनट axilla पे you have to keep 5 minutes in the axilla the thermometer, and after that you are seeing the reading and all, and it is done, and you are keeping the thermometer again. It's not like that, okay? It is that when you put the thermometer in the axilla, at the same time you have to take this pulse as well as the respiration, okay? So pulse is taken for 1 minute and respiration is also taken for 1 minute, okay? So 1 minute सब combine करके पूरा वो है. Like just imagine कर लो that 3 minutes was the pulse and 1 minute was the respiration and the other 1 minute was the this one respiration. Okay, don't think in that way. I mean ऐसा एग्जाम में मत बोलना कि 5 मिनट है तो 5 मिनट में wait, let me on my video. Okay, student, can you hear me? Can you see me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You have to take this is 5 minutes, okay? This is pulse for 5 minutes. So मैंने क्या बोला कि you will put the thermometer in the axilla for 5 minutes. So when you're accessing when you are assessing the temperature, no, then this 1 minute is for the, don't think like that this 1 minute is for the respiration and this 1 minute is for checking the pulse and the other remaining 3 minutes is for the pulse. It's not like that, okay? तो पूरा 5 मिनट तो एक्सिला में थर्मोमीटर रखना है, पूरा 5 मिनट. That means we consider total 5 minutes, okay? पूरा 5 मिनट रखेगा और in between that you just try to assess 1 minute for the pulse and 1 minute for the respiration. But don't ever say that 3 minutes for pulse, 3 minutes for pulse, 1 minute for respiration, and 1 minute for pulse. So total is 5. Don't count like that. Okay? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
क्योंकि वो 5 मिनट का टाइम पे ही तो हम लोग कुछ और काम कर रहा है ना. So like you are watching TV for these 5 minutes as well as you are eating a popcorn. It's like that. Can you get me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, so next we have completed the axilla also. Okay, now we have completed the pulse also, and then okay, so now we will move to the respiration. Okay, respiration also after counting the pulse. Okay, you have to note the rise and fall of the client chest. So you just keep on looking the rise and fall of the client chest. Okay, that is इंस्पिरेशन एंड एक्सपिरेशन देखना है. ओके, इंस्पिरेशन और एक्सपिरेशन देखना. और मैंने क्या बोला पहले, a complete cycle of inspiration and expiration, that is the one act of respiration. Okay, so वो वाला मत भूलना. ऐसा काउंट मत करना। जब इंसान सांस लेते हैं ना, जब इंस्पिरेशन एक्सपिरेशन, इंस्पिरेशन में 1 काउंट करोगे, फिर एक्सपिरेशन में 1 2 लाइक 3 4 ऐसा काउंट मत करना। लाइक इंस्पिरेशन एक्सपिरेशन रुकना 1, ओके, लाइक दैट। व्हाट वाज द नॉर्मल वैल्यू ऑफ रेस्पिरेशन?
16 to 20 breath per minute.
16 to 20 breath per minute ना, तो वो 1 मिनट में काउंट करते करते 16 और 20 का बीच में देखे मिलेगा। लाइक if it exceed or if it is lower, then that some abnormalities are present. Okay, and then now you have to now you already know everything na, everything, the size. Even for thermometer, I already temperature, I already taught you all, the oral, the rectal, and the this axilla. I taught you all. After that, pulse का भी सिखाया, उसके बाद respiration का भी सिखाया. So now what you need to do next is, तो पूरा procedure तो खत्म हो गया ना, तो पूरा procedure तो खत्म हो गया, तो उसके बाद क्या करना है? कोस्टा, उसके बाद क्या करना है? पूरा procedure खत्म हो गया, अभी क्या करना है? कोस्टा, कोस्टा, तुमने डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन हॉस्पिटल में दिया, खत्म हो गया, अभी क्या करोगी? ऐसे ही आर्टिकल्स रख दोगी, ऐसे ही थर्मोमीटर टेबल में रख दोगी?
नो मैं पहले उसको साफ कर, मतलब क्लीन करके रख देंगे ना।
ओके, क्लीन करके रख देना है। ओके, दैट इज वेरी गुड।
मतलब
हाँ हाँ कस्टम, रुको। तो पहले जब पेशेंट का एक्जिला में रखने का आगे भी तो क्लीन किया था ना, तो उस टाइम पे कैसे क्लीन किया था? बाल्ब टू स्टेम क्लीन किया था या स्टेम टू बाल्ब किया था? दीज आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। भूल गया? ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम। श्योदा, 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 before you put the temperature into the patient's like appropriate site now, wherever it is, oral or axilla or wherever it is, so you have cleaned the thermometer, right? So how did you clean it? From bulb to stem or from stem to bulb? Okay, whoever know it, say the answer. I would be very glad to know that, because I already taught you what.
Bulb to stem before.
Yes, you have to clean, you have to take out from the antiseptic solution and you have to rinse in a cold water. After that, what you need to do, you have to wipe from bulb to stem. तो bulb to stem, उसके बाद तो axilla में put करने के बाद, reading करने के बाद, तो it will be opposite, it will be stem to bulb. So now there is a question, why we need to put, why we clean from bulb to stem? Why not stem to bulb at the beginning? Any idea? From the beginning also we can clean now from stem to bulb, but directly we clean bulb to stem. Any idea? Any idea?
No, ma'am.
Actually, I want to ask you all, do you know this thermometer, the part? तो कौन सा पार्ट को बल्ब बोलते हैं, कौन सा वाला स्टेम बोलते हैं? You know or not? If no, I'll show you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You know, all of you? Here there might be some student who might not know, na? Okay. Okay, see this. इसको बल्ब बोलते हैं, हाँ, इसको बल्ब बोलते हैं और इसको स्टेम बोलते हैं. So we used to clean this one bulb, this one from here, okay, this bulb to stem before putting, and after that we will clean from stem to bulb, stem से लेके bulb तक. And we always used to clean from the less contaminated to the more contaminated. Remember this. लेस कंटामिनेटेड से लेके मोर कंटामिनेटेड में क्लीन किया जाता है. Are you clear why we need to perform like this? Remember, पहले गंदा वाला से clean करने से तो like the less dirty, that part also will get more worse, no? So that is why we always clean things from the less contaminated to the like more contaminated. Remember this. Clear, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Now you perform the procedure. Now everything is done. Now you have to remove the thermometer from the side and you have to wipe in a rotatory manner, okay, from stem to bulb by using a what swab? By using a dry swab, okay? By using a dry swab, you have to like you have to clean from stem to bulb, okay, in a rotatory manner. Are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
And
Yes,
always
ma'am.
remember that you have to this one hold the thermometer in the what level? What level? In the eye level, right? Or you remember karna, suppose you are standing here, okay, in the hospital and the light is reflecting from this side. So you have to always take the temperature against the light. Okay, यहाँ पे इतना light आ रहा है तो I have to means you are not allowed to see like this. जहाँ पे light आया उस तरफ नहीं देखना है. You have to see against the light. Are you clear? Against the light.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so then after that, you have to hold the thermometer at the eye level and all this mercury also, na? Because when you are taking the temperature of someone, so obviously mercury reading आ जाएगा ना? Normal temperature है तो 97 point something आ जाएगा. So reading हो गया. Okay, everything is done. Then after that, you want to put back after cleaning, you want to put back in the disinfectant solution. So again, you have to shake it and then try to bring down the bring down the this mercury level in the room temperature, that is below 35 degrees Celsius and 95 degrees Fahrenheit. Again, try to like shake it and put it down, okay, the level. That is how you need to perform, okay. Then this will make you ensure, okay, accurate reading. Ensure karega accurate reading. So now everything is done. Now if the TPR chart is available, then you have to record the reading, okay. Pulse kitna mila, respiration kitna mila, okay, temperature kitna mila, pen हाथ में रखना, blue, red or blue, red और ब्लैक हाथ में रखना और उसमें टीपीआर शीट में जो रीडिंग मिला ना, जो वैल्यू रिजल्ट मिला उसको वहां पे रिकॉर्ड करना. Okay, you will record it. You will record, and after recording, you make the patient comfortable. Okay, you have to make the patient comfortable in order to reduce anxiety or in order to promote relaxation. Okay, you have to make the patient comfortable, and then you can also inform the client, okay, or inform the patient about the temperature reading if he asks, then only. क्योंकि नॉर्मली तुम लोगों को एक चीज जानना है, लाइक नॉर्मली ना, लाइक जब किसी इंसान का टेम्परेचर हम लेते हैं, किसी इंसान का ब्लड प्रेशर लेते हैं ना, तो वी नॉर्मली डोंट यूज टू टेल देम द रीडिंग, क्योंकि वहां पे जो रिपोर्ट है ना, पेशेंट का जो रिपोर्ट है उसमें लिखा जाता है, एंड देन द डॉक्टर यूज टू सी एंड नो दैट, or the any kind of like medical worker na, they see from the patient report and they know it, okay. Because अगर patient को बोलोगे कि तुम्हारा बीपी इतना हाई है, तो वो एंजाइटी में चला जाएगा, डिप्रेशन में चला जाएगा ना. तो to relieve from to relieve patient from anxiety and to promote this relaxation and all na, you don't need to inform this patient, okay. बस वहां पे रिकॉर्ड बुक में लिखा जाता है. That is the thing you need to know, okay. और कोई लोग like, but if the patient himself asks you that मेरा कितना है, तो उसको बोल देना. That is the process in hospital. Are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. And then like and then you also have to clean the thermometer with swappy swab, okay, from stem to bulb in a rotatory motion. Why वो swappy swab से पहले तो टेम्परेचर निकाला था ना, निकालने के बाद पेशेंट निकालने के साथ साथ तुम लोगों ने लाइक स्टेम टू बल्ब वो ड्राई स्वैप से क्लीन किया, क्लीन करने के बाद उसको फिर से उसमें क्लीन करना है स्वापी स्वैप, ओके, जो कॉटन का ऊपर जो सॉप थोड़ा अटैच करके लाइक डिसइंफेक्टेंट सॉप जो रखा था ना विथ अपॉन द कॉटन, विथ वो कॉटन स्वापी सॉप से उसको स्टेम टू बल्ब क्लीन करना है, उसके बाद लाइक पानी से रिंस करना है, रिंस करके लाइक शेक द मर्क्यूरी डाउन। और अगर पेशेंट का खुद का वो है, खुद का थर्मोमीटर है, हाँ, पेशेंट को खुद का थर्मोमीटर ले आने को बोलते हैं कुछ हॉस्पिटल पे, हाँ, तो तब क्या करना है, वो जो बॉक्स है ना, वो थर्मोमीटर रखने का जो बॉक्स है उसमें फिर से रखा जाता है, it used to be put back, okay, in that particular box, okay, but if it is in the hospital, then again you have to put in the disinfectant solution, and you also have to check that is the disinfectant solution still valuable to be used for the next patient. Then if not, you just discard it, okay, you just discard it, okay, so that you can prevent cross infection. नहीं तो इतना गंदा हो गया disinfectant solution, if you try to put the thermometer upon there, then obviously all the microorganism and all will enter and it can get infection to the another patient also, okay, so you have to make sure to see this disinfectant solution as well. Are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and then after that, after doing everything, whatever I have told you till now, you have to tie up the unit. Means all the articles collect karke, they used to call utility room. In the hospital, you will know there is a utility room. Utility room, where nurses and all the doctor, nurses, every people used to stay there in the utility room where you can keep the tray. Okay, that particular TPR tray you can just go and keep in the utility room. Okay, so and whatever soil, swab and all, you just throw in the dustbin, and all, that BMW and all, na wahan pe pata chalega, BMW. If I have time, I'll teach you all that BMW. You have to discard that, okay? Okay, yes or no? And remember, okay, there are special care for thermometer, which I would like to tell you, okay? There are some special care for thermometer, okay? Never use hot water for cleaning. Never use hot water. Garam pani kabhi bhi use mat karna thermometer ko clean karne ke liye. Okay? और अगर बॉटल होगा ना, अगर बॉटल का ऊपर बॉटल का you will take one bottle ना, the inside the bottle, if you directly put the thermometer, then टूट भी सकता है ना, तो क्या करना है कि you have to put cotton padding, थोड़ा सा cotton padding वो बॉटल का अंदर रखना, ओके, थोड़ा cotton padding ताकि वो थर्मोमीटर डायरेक्ट रखने से भी वो टूट ना जाए. Are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, Ajiba, send me attendance. Okay, that's all for today class, and we have completed TPR. Okay, I hope all of you are very, very much clear about it, and I don't want you all to have any confusion. Okay, then that's